Let me show you a magic trick. In this video, I will show you how I performed this video. This is known as reverse speed editing, and I'll show you how to do this reverse speed editing using Premiere Pro video editing software. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so this first I will open Premiere Pro, and I've already opened a new project. From here I will create one new sequence. But first of all I will import media. So I'll double click on this one and I will select my video clip, which is this one, and I will click on the open option to import the video file in the Premiere software. Now I will just click on this one and drag it to this new item box right here. After dragging it, it will create a new sequence for me, just like this. So a new sequence is being created. I'll make it a little bit short. Now I will right click on it and unlink the audio, and I will delete the audio. But the best thing to do this is I will just delete this part, and the part which we have imported, just double click on it and you will get the source video. From here you can select which part you want in your video. So I will see which part I want. You can go from one frame to another frame using this button. This is the forward button and this is the backward button. I will see where the box falls. So from here, my box falls from my hand. So what I'll do is I will click on this option. There's a marking option. Just click on this. So this part has been selected. Now let's see which part this box fills into the frame. Okay, so this box fills this part and then it goes out of the frame. So to this part I will click on the mark out option, and I want only this part. So I will just drag the video only, not the audio. From this option you can only drag the video and drop it in the sequence, just like this, and your selected part is being imported in the sequence of Premiere Pro. So now this is the video. I will make it a bit slower by right clicking on it and then going to speed and duration, and I will make it a bit slower, for example 40%, and then I will go to here time interpolation and make it optical flow and just click on the OK option. So now this video clip is a bit longer. Now what you have to do is we have to just press the Alt option, or if you are using a PC, and if you are using a Mac then press on the Option key on your keyboard and then just drag it and drop it just like this to duplicate the layers. And the second layer which we have just duplicated, right click on it and go to speed and duration. After going to speed and duration, just the thing which I have to do is just check this reverse speed option and press on the OK button, and that's it. That's how we do a basic reverse animation in Premiere Pro. So let's see the video. So first I will see from here. So here the box falls from my hand, and just as we enter the video it again comes back to my hand, just like that. Okay, so that's it. That's how we do this.
That's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel with the bell icon. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.